Hello everyone, in our today's video we are going to learn how to download logo commands in mobile phone. Click on the Play Store button and in the search bar type logo commands and after typing press search button. Now you can see there are various logo applications available over here, but we will click on logo by Leaf Tech. You will click on this icon and then press the install button. And your logo command will start downloading. As you can see, after downloading it is installing, and after installation we will click on this open option. Now you can see there is a short introduction of logo, that is what is logo. If you want you can read this full thing or you can simply press the next button. After clicking on next, you can see they will tell you the reasons why we should learn the logo language. Press next, then what are commands. If you want again you can read this or press next button. And now you can see it's a brief introduction about the logo commands that we are going to use to make a drawing. Commands like FD, RT, BK and so on. These commands are also known as primitives. These commands will help the turtle to draw the diagram on our graphics screen or the main screen of the logo commands. You can press next. If you already know about these commands or you want, you can read these commands before starting on this logo. Now you can see there is a play button. You can click on this option. Now this is my logo command window. The screen is divided into two parts. The upper part is known as the graphics screen or the main screen, whereas the lower part is known as the command window. This small triangle on the graphics screen is known as a turtle. The pointed part of this triangle is known as the head of the turtle, whereas the straight or the bottom part is known as the tail. Now we can start typing our commands in the commander window. Like for the forward we will type FD space and we will write the number of steps. Now you can see my turtle move forward by 100 steps. Now I want to turn my turtle towards the right hand side, so I will type RT space 90 to move my turtle by 90 degrees towards the right hand side. Now again I will type FT and I will give 7, or you can write 150 steps. Now you can see again my turtle moved in the forward direction. Now I want my turtle to move towards its left, so I will type LT space 90 and my turtle will rotate 90 degrees towards its left. In this way you can give commands to your turtle and your turtle will follow them. Now if you want to bring your turtle back to its original position, for that you will type home and press run. As you can see, my turtle is back to its original position from where it started. If you want to remove this turtle from the screen and want to see the clear picture of your diagram, you can press HT and you can see your turtle will disappear from the screen. If you will click on this option, then you can see few examples of some shapes are given, like triangle, hexagonal, circle, star, etc. By clicking on any of the given shapes, you can see the steps to draw that shape are given. As an example, you can also find the steps to draw that diagram by using repeat command.